can't seem to share my feelings with you. I've tried, but it's just way too hard to go and tell the truth. I don't seem to have the guts, I'm just sitting on the side. People try to help me out, but I insist that I'm fine. But I'm not, 'cause you're here, and my face is red from ear to ear. I can't, and I won't tell you what you might not want to hear, though I'll never know what may have happened between the two of us. I'd rather not go ruin what we have by making a big old fuss. So I'll just wait on the sideline. I'll just wait on the sideline. I'll just wait on the sideline. I'm just a friend to you. Even if you think I'm cute, I'll never be more to you. The idea is not moved, so I guess I'll just keep hoping on the unimaginable. The likelihood of me being with you, it's so unfathomable. Oh, it's also unimaginable. Oh, it's also unfathomable. I don't have the courage to lose you, or maybe I'm just not brave enough to keep you. These thoughts, they fill my mind, but the truth is that I still can't help to think I'd be declined. I can't seem to share